Time for another food review from Dothan, Alabama. This time I'm not going to tell you the name of the restaurant till we get to the end of the video. But tonight, it's chili slaw dogs with mustard and onions, chili fries with mustard, and coleslaw. Let's try this stuff. First, the chili slaw dogs. Let's see what we got here. That's delicious. That's got the red hot, not the hot dogs. I'd have preferred a little more chili, but the chili's good. The coleslaw is phenomenal. I'm gonna give this like a 9.5 out of 10. Let's move on to the fries. Just a normal French fry. Let me try it with the chili and mustard. Okay, that's what's up. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I love mustard on my fries, especially with chili on it. This coleslaw, I'm not gonna lie, it looks homemade. I'm really excited about it. I can't lie. This is the best coleslaw I've ever had in my life. 12 out of 10. As for the restaurant itself, I'm not gonna lie. The environment is cozy. I'm really comfortable here. The stool I'm sitting on is great. I love this fine dining. I love the fancy silverware. The meal cost me about 80 grand a year plus benefits. The service was mid. The chef was really freaking mean to me. That's the chef. That's my wife's cooking, man. Hope you guys like this one.
By the way, the service was excellent. I put it on your plate and put it there for you.